Real Happy Productions presents The Only Way to See the Grand Canyon. This is a video with Sundance helicopter tours from Las Vegas down into the Grand Canyon. Here we are taking a ride, getting ready to head out on the helicopter over the Grand Canyon. We're in a black stretch limousine, waiting on another couple. Should be coming anytime. And then we'll head to the airport and board the helicopter. We're now arriving at Sundance Helicopter Tours. We'll head inside and get weighed up.
The other side.
Okay. Heading out onto the tarmac, and Fran's already boarded into the helicopter. Pilot's getting things fired up and getting the rotor turning, and here we go. Helicopter gets parked, we're going to slide over and head out. We're running along the runway area, along the tarmac, lifting up, and you can see the Vegas Strip right in front of us. That's Mandalay Bay, and up onto the right you can see the MGM Grand. Kind of parallel to the strip right now. You can see the Luxor down there on the bottom left. And we're banking to the right and heading out towards the desert. You can see Lake Mead on our left. And now coming around you can see the Hoover Dam. Roll over the top of the Hoover Dam. We've got a really spectacular view of the dam. There's Lake Mead behind it. Fantastic view. Absolutely awesome. We're now heading out across the desert. You can still see a little bit of Lake Mead out there. Better picture of it there. We'll be flying over top of the lake and heading out towards the Grand Canyon. Just start to see the canyon walls up in front of us. We'll be dropping down into the canyon in just a minute. Fran and I got some of the best seats in the helicopter. Fran's sitting in the middle next to the pilot. I was fortunate enough to get the front left seat. Great view out the front bubble, as well as the side door. Starting to come over the ridge now, you can just start to see the start of the Grand Canyon. Now cresting the ridge of the canyon and starting to down into the canyon. You can see the Colorado River running through the middle. The area off to our right is the skywalk area right there on the right hand side, where it has the clear glass walkway that a lot of people walk out onto. It's a beautiful day, crystal blue skies, light winds, an absolute perfect ride, perfect day. Plateau out in front of us. That's an area that we're going to come around to the right and we're going to sit down on, and we're going to stop there for about 30 minutes. Looks like there's already a couple of helicopters have landed there. We're going to come down in between them and sit down, and we're going to have a short break, have a little lunch, take in the beautiful view. Hang on, we're setting down. looking at the base of the Grand Canyon on a beautiful day. About 40 degrees. Flew in by helicopter. Unbelievable trip. And that's the Colorado River flowing through the base of the canyon. Looks pretty cold. It's absolutely perfect day, blue skies, no wind. Couldn't have picked a better time. Saw a lot of snow on some of the sides of the hills and the valley areas. Looks like Sundance has provided us with a little lunch, a little champagne brunch. And we'll finish that up. And we'll get ready to board back onto the helicopter and fly out. Pilot gets the rotors up to speed, getting them turning, ready for takeoff. We're lifting off and heading over the edge into the canyon. Everybody's buckled in, and here we go. As it takes off over the ledge, you see off in front of us there's actually another plateau down there. We noticed a few other helicopters landing on down in that section. It's a beautiful ride. Now heading out a different area of the canyon, going up along the canyon walls, headed out over the top. Now heading back across the desert. Crossing some of the Lake Mead area again. Just a minute here. There's some of the lake. As we're coming back into Las Vegas, we fly over the old Vegas area where some of the old casinos originally started. And you can see the strip up ahead and to the left of us. We've got the Stratosphere. Going over Circus area right now, and we've got some areas of hotels that are being built, construction. Now we're coming up on Donald Trump's tower. Pretty gold there. We got Treasure Island. Coming up now on the Mirage. Beautiful hotel. This is where we stayed. Fabulous. Coming across Caesar's Palace. Now coming across in front of Bellagio. And areas of the Venetian and Aria. As we begin to bank left down into the strip. Casinos. Got the Excalibur was on our right, passing New York on our left. Coming up on the MGM Grand. As we approach the airport, we'll be banking back to the right into the airport. Into the airport. Got another commercial airliner coming in, bringing some more people into Vegas to have a good time. Kind of running down the taxiway, paralleling the main runways, pulling into the Sundance area. and you'll be shutting her down. What an absolute fantastic trip. Congratulations to Sundance for putting together a fantastic ride. On your next trip to Vegas, book a tour with Sundance to the Grand Canyon. You'll be glad you did.